गुबुन जायगायाव थामहिनबा आसाम बा कार्बि आंलंआव जाबायदि एलपि आरो इउपि टेट पास केन्डिडेटफोरखौ जाबायदि रिक्रुटमेन्टनि राहा होनाय जादों बेबायदि जाहाथे जोंनोबो बिटिआर सरकारा थाबैनो एडभार्टाइजमेन्ट दिहुननानै जोंनि बिटिआरआव जेसेबां केन्डिडेटफोर एलपि एन्ड इउपि टेट पास जानानै दङ बिथांमोनखौ रिक्रुटमेन्ट होनायनि राहा लानांगौ। दा जोंनि बिटिआर सरकारा जा जोंनि सायाव बुंबाय दङ जे 427 सिटेटफोरा केस होनायनि थाखाय जोंनो जेबो एपइन्टमेन्टनि राहा होनो हायाखै। खोथाया ओरैबायदि नङा, सिटेटआ केस होदों, सरकारा जोंनो एपइन्टमेन्ट होनो हाया। जोंनि सोंथिया बेसो, जुदि केसआ 10 बोसोरसिम बारलाङो अब्लाना मा सरकारा जोंनो 10 बोसोरसिम एपइन्टमेन्ट होआलासिनो दोनगोन नामा? नोंथांमोना खेबसे सानहर जे दिनै नोंथांमोना थाबैनो एलपि आरो इउपिआव फोरोंगिरि थिसनोब्ला जोंनि बर' बिजोंनि फरायसालिफ्रा जोबोद खम समनि गेजेरावनो थैनो थांगासिनो दङ। मानो होनब्ला दिनै गोबां फरायसालियाव सासेल' फोरोंगिरिया फोरोंगासिनो दङ आरो बबेबा फरायसालियाव लांदां मासि जाना दङ। आं बेनिखायनो गुरै खावलायो जोंनि बिटिआर सरकार सारमोन, नोंथांमोननि आखायावसो जोंनि बर' बिजोंनि फरायसालिफोरा। नोंथांमोना बर' बिजोंनि फरायसालिखौ फोथांनो सानदोंब्ला जोंनि जा एलपि एन्ड इउपि टेट पास खालामनाय केन्डिडेट दङ बिथांमोनखौ थाबैनो रिक्रुटमेन्टनि राहा होनांगौ।
BTR government is still not paying any heed to release the vacancy for the TET qualified candidates. We know that the 427 post which the CTET candidate had filed a case, and that case is still pending in the High Court. But that post was 427 post was mainly for the 6 months contractual teacher who are working in the BTR region. So because of the CTET case, we 7,000 plus candidates should get deprived. That is not the reason. So there are many vacancies available in our BTR region. We have already taken the information from the higher authority of the education department, and we know that some schools are functioning with only a single teacher. So if the our government can give appointment to the 91 teachers, and they are going to give an appointment to the 99 teachers also, so why can't they give appointment to the TET qualified candidates of the BTR region? We are not asking for a free job from the government. We are demanding the government to release the vacancy for the TET qualified candidate. We know that our government schools are lacking far behind in providing quality education. So to maintain a quality education, we need to recruit a quality teachers. Plus, education is the main pillar of our society. So society can be developed through education only. So through this press meet, we want to say to our government that please take the matter seriously and release the vacancy for the TET qualified candidate so we can apply for that post. So this is what we want to say to our government. Thank you.